A lot of people are blaming AI tools, but there are always 1% who take advantage of these tools and achieve success. The owner of this TikTok page is one of those people. They have invented this unique and new niche with the help of AI. And now, they are getting millions of views with that idea. This is another TikTok channel that has gained 225,000 followers with the same niche. And this is another channel. All of these high-quality and uncommon ASMR videos are made using Google VO3's new AI model. So basically, these TikTok pages have gained this success within just several weeks. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these ASMR videos using VO3. And if you can't afford the VO3 prices, I have a solution for that as well. Not only that, I will also reveal and show you several unique categories like these, so if you are watching this video as soon as I upload, you are in luck. Now, there's no hidden magic or secret method to make such videos because every AI tool works the same way. They are all guided by a text-based prompt. So you should learn how to make prompts to generate such ASMR videos. I'm going to show you a really simple method to generate prompts using ChatGPT. First, let's go to ChatGPT. I'm going to ask like this: I need to make prompts to generate some ASMR cutting videos. Can you analyze this prompt and create unique prompts for the scenes I'm going to provide? And then I have this pre-made prompt I created. Basically, this prompt has every single small detail to create these ASMR cutting videos. And guys, I will attach a Word document. You can download it and get all the prompts I'm going to use in this video. Now, I have given the ChatGPT all the instruction it needs. As an example, I'm going to ask it like this: can you make a prompt using this unique prompt to make an ASMR cutting video about a glass banana? As you can see here, we have a fully detailed prompt to generate an ASMR video. And guys, this prompt only works in VO3 because only the VO3 model has high-quality audio capabilities. You can sign up for VO3 by going to their website, and they have this offer, which gives you 1,000 free credits for only 1 month. And it's going to cost 100 credits to make an 8-second video. So this is my free VO3 account, and it only has 190 credits left. I'm going to paste the prompt I generated to this. Now, you need to select the model, click the settings icon, and you need to change the VO2 model to VO3. With this model, you can generate videos with high-quality audio capabilities. And let's generate this video. It will only take around 2 minutes. Now, this is absolutely mind-blowing and crazy. The quality of the video is perfect, and the audio matches perfectly with the cutting time and with everything. Now, the only problem is that our free credits are gone, and I have a solution for that as well. I've been using this AI tool called AI Video for the past several months. They have all the available AI video models, including VO3. You don't have to pay $250 to access this tool. You can use their starter or creator package and use VO3 through this. And guys, this is not a sponsored video. I personally use this tool, and that's why I'm showing you this. Not only this tool, Leonardo AI, will also give you access to the VO3 AI model, so I'm going to try them both. This time, let's make an ASMR cutting video about jelly coconut. Just like before, I'm going to generate a prompt like this, and let's copy this. I'm going to use AI Video. First, you need to select the Create from Scratch option, and this is the editing dashboard. I'm going to paste the prompt here, and you can make images, videos, and convert images to videos as well. As you can see here, with this tool, we can access all the available AI video models. This time, we are only using the VO3 model. I'm going to select it. And let's set the size of the video as landscape, and generate. While this video is generating, I'm going to make 3 more videos. These are the prompts for those. The second one is about cutting a square ice cube. Third video is about cutting an orange, which is made of lava, and the final video is about cutting a watermelon, which is made of honey. Just like this, you can combine several video clips and make an ASMR YouTube video. Now, instead of doing this same thing, let's be creative and make some unique videos that no one else is doing. I'm going to try something like eating a cake, but the cake is made of chocolate. So I asked ChatGPT to change the prompt to ASMR videos of eating, a close-up shot of hands and mouth, and I got new prompts for previous requests as well. So let's convert all of these prompts to videos. Another category that you can do is ASMR car crushing. I don't know if this works, but let's try it and see. Just like before, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a new prompt for car crushing ASMR videos. Okay, now, we have two prompts. The first one is about crushing a glass ball. The second one is about crushing some soda cans. Now, I'm going to go back here and let's generate these two videos. I'm not actually satisfied with the results, but if we improve the prompt, we can create nice videos. Another example niche you can start with this AI videos is slow motion videos. For that, I have specifically generated a completely new prompt to get 99% accurate results, so let's try it as well. The first video is going to be a glass ball hitting a wall and shattering into pieces. Here's the prompt for that specific scene. I made two different clips, and those are the results I got. So, just like this, you can make various ASMR videos using this AI model. And if you check these channels on TikTok, you can get more ideas. I still didn't find this type of video on YouTube, but in TikTok competition is growing. And these are just several ideas. If you think creatively, you can find unique video ideas like these no one else is doing. It all depends on the prompt. With this AI technology, possibilities are unlimited. You just need to think outside the box and start something unique, and then you can go viral on TikTok and YouTube. These channels have already proven that with their rapid success. If you have any questions about this video, you can drop a comment, and with that, today's video has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned some valuable information from my channel, so I wish you the best of luck, and I will see you guys in the next video.